Hello friends, today we going to fill Cyprus Visa, so let's start form. Go to your browser, then type VFS Cyprus www.vfsglobal.com/Cyprus/India/ This is the home page for the VFS Cyprus. Now please go to short stay visa and go to tourists. Now click on download form and click on the application for visa. This is an application from the link. Now open the form 16. Download its application form. Please open with Adobe Reader. Go to Tools, click on Fill and Sign. This is a one-page form. Read all this before start form filling. At first type your surname or family name and then father's name. Then after that, please enter your first name or given name. And now please enter your date of birth, place and country of birth respectively. And then come to the nationality section. Here you have to enter your current nationality and your original nationality. And after that move forward to passport section. Here you have to enter your passport number, issued by and date of issue. After that, please give your occupation details. Here your current occupation. Mention the employer's address and contact number respectively. Now select the checkbox of male or female, and after that choose your marital status. If you are married, please provide detail of your spouse and children as well. After all this, you have to move forward to your visa type sections. Select visa type individual or collective, and after that choose from the following type of visa. After that, number of entries requested. Now come to other visas for Cyprus, Schengen states and type NA if you don't have. And now please type your purpose of travel, date of arrival and date of departure in the following way. Then type name and address of the hotel. And after all these sections, move forward to means of support during your stay, and you have to choose from the following. And at last type your present address and contact number, place and date. Please take a printout of this form and sign herewith on this form, and your application is done.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know, many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection. Don't worry. We're here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.